So if you have watched my previous video about curating your intellectual diet, uh, there is something that I wanted to share as an extension today. It's about noting down the things that you want to consume. Let's say if you are wanting to watch movies that are of a specific genre or anything that you want, you can make a list of the things in order. If you want to listen to a podcast, you could make a list of podcasts that you have that you want to listen to. You could make a list of things that you want to read, collect links of substacks that you want to explore, collect links of courses that you want to do, and keep it all in one place. So you can do this in two ways. You can have a digital file version of it, like I do that on Notion as well as Samsung Notes. I curate everything according to the topics and the things I want to learn. So this is basically like having a personal curriculum for yourself. Now, why is having a personal curriculum important in today's era? Because if you are constantly doom scrolling and mindlessly scrolling on your phone, it's going to be very, very cluttered for your brain. You're not going to get that direction there, right there, okay? But if you have curated something and you have made it personal, for yourself, you have personalized your list, it's going to be more helpful. And I have done that exactly in this small notebook of mine, where I basically write down things that I have to explore, or I have to consume, or I have to watch, listen. So all my five senses are engaged, and this notebook starts. The first page of this notebook starts with this. It's a plan of action for what to learn, what to read, what to hear, what to see, what to write, what to follow, and from where to read. So it is like my mini guide. It's my mini syllabus book that I follow. And then I have things like books that I'm going to read, podcasts that I have, and what I'm going to learn, the courses that I have planned out for myself, the TED Talks that I'm going to watch, then books again, because I love reading books and I just love consuming them, whether it is in form of an audiobook or whether it is in form of a paperback book. So I feel that something like this works better for me, because a physical book is always better. And then I have creators whom I follow. So my Instagram is very curated and it shows up content that is related to the creators I follow. So more of what I follow shows up. And if I know that, okay, these are the creators I'm following, and so their content comes up on my feed. And that's how I know that whenever I'm opening Instagram or LinkedIn, those kind of things are going to pop up. So you can actually train your algorithm to show you things that you want to see more of. And it also says that if not interested, you can click that, and you can cancel that out as well. YouTube videos that are there, so many things, this mini PDFs that I have saved but not gone through, lots of things actually, movies to watch, etc. Lot of things. So this is like my mini guidebook, and I whenever I am lost, like whenever I am thinking of what am I going to do next, I open this book, pick something that is going to help me. Like I am into copywriting, I write a lot, so I consume content that is related to copywriting, not copywriting per se, but things like for writing in general. So that's how it helps me. And I'm also an artist, so I consume a lot of content that is related to art. So my feed is very curated, based on art and writing. So if you are also interested in doing that, make a personal curriculum for yourself and curate your intellectual diet. I cannot emphasize more on this, but you need to do it right away.